Okay, so the driver's side is done. Now the passenger side does the same thing. It's not as bad, but... So I'm gonna replace this door check. There's a part that I got on Amazon, super cheap, it's like 20 bucks. Looks just like the factory piece. I've already went ahead and removed this cover right here. Okay, now on the passenger side, I can tell right away, it's not gonna be as easy as it was on the driver's side. I've got a lot more wiring harnesses in the way, and I've got this black cover that's right in front of that cover that I need to remove. These are a 10mm. This one was a 10. These two are 13. Just a quick tip, tight a rope or something around the end of this door check, just in case it falls down that double wall cavity. Okay, I finally got the door check out. That was quite a bit of work, and I made a couple of mistakes. First of all, I ended up removing the wrong cover. So there's two covers on the passenger side. This is the one that's on the top. I want to remove the one on the bottom. Second, there is this PCM that's mounted on the side, and it's held in place by two 8mm screws. You don't have to remove those 8mm, you can just loosen them so that you can slide this piece here kind of out of the way. And then you're gonna have to pop some of those wire harnesses out of the way, and then you're gonna have clear access. New door check is in place. I'm gonna go ahead and tighten these two 13mm nuts. And then there's the bolt that goes into the actual door, and that's an 8mm. Everything's put back together. Let's do a final check. Oh, way better.